Hello, everyone, and welcome to Lesson 2 of our module on AI-driven social media advertising. In our last session, we looked at the foundations of social advertising, what it is, why it matters, and how it's evolving. Today, we're going to take that conversation a step further and explore how artificial intelligence, or AI, is fundamentally reshaping the way advertising works on social media platforms. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the key areas where AI is being applied, how it enhances campaign performance, and what practical benefits and challenges it introduces for marketers. Let's begin with a basic reminder of what we mean by AI in this context. Artificial intelligence here refers to systems and algorithms that can process information, learn from it, and make decisions, often in real time. When applied to marketing, and especially to social media advertising, AI helps automate tasks, improve accuracy, and personalize interactions in ways that weren't possible before. So where is AI making the biggest impact? Let's break it down. AI in targeting and audience segmentation. First, AI has completely transformed audience targeting. In the early days of digital ads, targeting relied heavily on broad demographic assumptions. For instance, we'd target women aged 25 to 34 who like fitness. That worked, sort of, but it was limited. What AI brings to the table is the ability to analyze massive datasets, click behavior, purchase history, time of day usage, content interactions, to identify much more nuanced patterns. This is how platforms like Facebook can build what they call lookalike audiences. You feed the system data from your best customers. Maybe it's a list of email addresses or people who made a purchase, and the platform's AI looks across millions of users to find others who exhibit similar behavior and interests. It's using hundreds of variables we wouldn't even think to connect. And it doesn't stop there. AI systems continuously monitor performance data. If, for example, 18 to 24-year-olds are clicking but not converting, while 30-somethings are converting at a high rate on desktops, AI can automatically redirect spend to focus on the group that's actually delivering value. It also makes moment-by-moment decisions. Imagine running an ad for umbrellas. AI can detect when it's raining in a user's location and trigger the ad only then. This is called contextual or moment targeting, and it makes campaigns much more relevant. Ultimately, AI helps advertisers avoid waste. It doesn't just tell you where to spend. It also helps you stop spending where there's no return. That alone can save thousands in poorly placed ad impressions. AI in content creation and personalization. Now let's talk about the creative side of things. Ad content. Creating great ads takes time. Writing, designing, testing variations. AI is speeding this up dramatically. Take AI copywriting tools like Jasper or Pasado. These systems can generate dozens of versions of ad headlines and descriptions based on a prompt. What's remarkable is they're not guessing. They're trained on huge datasets and can generate copy based on emotional tone, intent, even urgency. One of the most famous examples of this is JP Morgan Chase. They tested human-written ads against AI-written ones, and the AI versions outperformed the human ones in several campaigns, in some cases doubling the click-through rate. That's not a small improvement. That's transformative. On the visual side, AI tools can generate images and videos. Some brands now use platforms like Midjourney or Synthesia to create visuals on demand. For example, if you need an image of a cozy living room for your furniture ad, AI can generate one in seconds, no photo shoot needed. Even more impressive is what's called dynamic creative optimization. AI systems personalize the actual ad that each user sees. So if one viewer is interested in running shoes and another in formal wear, the same ad template can swap out the image and text to match their preferences. This makes the ad feel tailored and, as a result, far more engaging. AI in bid management and budget optimization. Next, let's look at how AI helps manage advertising spend, arguably one of the most critical functions in any campaign. Most platforms now use AI-powered bidding systems. Rather than you setting a fixed bid for each click, you tell the platform your goal. Say, maximize purchases under $10 each. And the system will automatically adjust bids in real time. That means if it sees a high-value potential customer, it will bid more aggressively, and if the chances of conversion are low, it might not bid at all. Facebook and Google both have versions of this: campaign budget optimization and smart bidding, respectively. These tools use data from thousands of past interactions to determine the best way to spend your budget. Some systems even provide predictive insights. They might say, if you increase your budget by 20%, we estimate a 15% increase in conversions. Or they might flag an underperforming ad and suggest reallocating the budget to one that's doing better. All of this happens automatically. It's not just saving time, it's improving return on ad spend. AI in chatbots and customer interaction. Let's shift to something that happens after someone clicks an ad: interaction. More and more, social ads are connected to messaging apps. For example, a Facebook ad might open a messenger chat instead of sending users to a website. And here's where AI-powered chatbots come in. These bots can greet users, ask questions, recommend products, and even close sales, all within the chat window. They're powered by natural language processing, which lets them understand and respond to common queries. Sephora, for example, uses a chatbot to help users find makeup. It asks a few questions and then suggests products. It's like having a personal shopper, available 24/7. What's great about chatbots is their scalability. Whether one person or 5,000 click on your ad, the bot can handle them all instantly. That's something no human team could do without enormous cost. And they're not just support tools. They collect valuable data from every interaction, helping you refine future campaigns. Real-world case studies. Let's pause for a moment and look at how real companies are using these AI tools. BMW used IBM's Watson to personalize a campaign launch. Watson analyzed social conversations and helped tailor content to different interests. For safety-conscious users, it emphasized safety features. For car enthusiasts, it focused on performance. The result? A 30% jump in engagement. Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign went a step further. They used AI to figure out which names to print on bottles in different markets, based on social data. That campaign wasn't just a hit, it boosted sales and generated millions of free social shares. And as we mentioned, JPMorgan Chase adopted AI copywriting after tests showed it consistently outperformed their best human-written ads. These aren't small experiments, they're proof points that AI in advertising isn't a future trend. It's a current competitive advantage. To summarize, AI is revolutionizing every step of the advertising process. It helps us reach the right people more effectively. It automates and personalizes content creation. It manages budgets with real-time intelligence. And it powers interactions through smart chatbots. What does this mean for you as a marketer? It means the skills of tomorrow involve both creative thinking and analytical oversight. You don't have to write code or build models yourself. But you do need to understand what AI can do, how to use the tools, and how to interpret the insights. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to actually implement AI-driven ads, step by step, using some of the platforms and tools we've mentioned. Until then, reflect on how AI might already be playing a role in the ads you see every day. And more importantly, think about how you can start applying these capabilities to your own campaigns. Thanks for being here, and see you in the next session.